Hello, my name is Bаймахан Н.М. I am a teacher of physics at school 189 in Almaty. As part of the polyglot contest, I would like to present you a lesson on physics in 8th grade on electric heating devices, bulb, short circuit, fuses. Before the lesson began, the class was divided into groups according to the color of the card.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
I'm glad to see you. Please sit down. How are you?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
Thanks a lot. I'm okay. Who is on duty today?
I'm on duty today.
Tamila, what date is it today?
Today is the 3rd of March.
Okay. Who is absent today?
All are present.
Very good. Thank you. Sit down, please. Guys, I suggest starting the lesson with a small game that's called colored pulse. Its purpose is to greet each other and emotionally prepare it for the lesson. So, Yulia, could you read the instruction, please?
Of course.
Instruction: yellow palette to greet each other, say hello, good morning, good afternoon, and hi. Red palette to make a compliment for someone, and green palette to shake your hands for everyone.
Okay, good job. Yellow palm. Good job. Red palm.
You're
Green palm. Good job. Now let's speed this up. Yellow palm. Red palm. And the last, green palm, to shake your hands for everyone. Good job. Guys, I'll give you the assessment sheet in order to summarize and evaluate the results. It's for you, this is for your group, and this is for your group.
In my practice, I use assessment sheets as a tool for diagnosing and evaluating the results of the educational process, as well as for assigning a rating score to students.
So guys, let's check out your homework by completing the next task. That's called true or false. Here you can see the statements. If you agree with them, you will show green cut. If you don't agree with them, you will show red cut. And in this case, you should say the right answer. Okay? So, let's start. The closed path through which the electrons flow is called an electric circuit. Is it true or false? What do you think? It's true. Yes. Great. Next. Направленное движение заряженных частиц – дрейф зарядов.
False.
It's true, false. It's false. Сабрина?
Направленное движение заряженных частиц это будет ток, электрический ток.
Ага. Great. The next statement. Келесі. Тұжырым. Ага. Сене оқыш.
Вольтметр электр желісіндегі кернеуді немесе токты тежейтін және реттейтін электр құрылғысы. Бұл жалған реостат. Жауабы реостат болады.
Раз. Let's go to the next statement. We use ammeter to measure electric current. Is it true or false? It's true. Okay. Последнее утверждение. Величина, равная работе тока в единицу времени, это мощность. Это, да, это верное утверждение. So guys, moving on to the next task, work in pairs. In this task, you must choose the best word from the word box to complete each sentence. So you have 3 minutes. Let's start. It is electric current. The next. A pass is electric current. How many points did you get?
All is correct.
Okay, good job. This is for you. How many points did you get?
9 points.
Okay, great. This is for your group. So guys, moving on to the next point. What do you see on this slide, guys? What do you see on this slide? devices. Yes. Yulia?
Many types of bulbs.
Many types of bulbs, of course. Yes, you are right. Please.
We can see a hair dryer and oven.
Wires, да? Lots of wires.
Burning wire.
Burning wires.
Types of bulbs.
So guys, we will tell about electric heating devices, bulbs, short circuit and fuses. Over your copybook, write down the topic of the lesson. Electric heating devices, bulb, short circuit and fuses. Open your copybook, write down electric heating devices, bulb, short circuit, and fuses. Good job, Jan. Great. Ziria, could you read the lesson objective?
You will explain conditions for short circuit and describe methods of preventing a short circuit.
So guys, let's work with new terminology. Let's practice these new words together. I want you to repeat these new words. So, electric heating devices.
Electric heating devices.
Электронагревательные приборы.
Электронагревательные приборы.
Электропровода.
Электропровода.
Light bulb.
Light bulb.
Лампочка.
Лампочка.
Filament.
Filament.
Нить накаливания.
Нить накаливания.
Звакула.
Звакула.
Fuses.
Fuses.
Плавки-предохранители.
Плавки-предохранители.
Сахтандербуштаг.
Сахтандербуштаг.
Guys, move on to the next practical task. Here, in the first slide, you see names of devices, value of voltage, value of current, and value of power. You should fill unknown values in the table.
I use the Wheel of Fortune randomizer to select the answer, which introduces an element of surprise into the game. Often the students raises complaints about the fact the teacher chooses them to answer in the lesson unjustifiably based. There is a misunderstanding between the teacher and the student. The child's mental state is disturbed, albeit for a far-fetched reason. Now it is not me, but the Wheel of Fortune that decides which of the children will answer now. The students wait with bated breath.
In this task, we know power of cooker and current of cooker, and we need to find voltage.
Given is we have current, which is 16 amperes, and we have power, which is 4,000 watts, and we need to find voltage.
Okay, you're right.
Solution. How to find power? Power is voltage times current. And we don't know voltage, so we need to find voltage. Voltage is power divided by current. Which is 4,000 divided by 16
Is equal to
250 voltage.
volts.
Volts.
Answer is
Answer 250 volts.
Given voltage of fire is equal to 220 volts and current is equal to 8 ampere. We need find is power.
we need to find Power of fire.
Solution. We have an expression for power, and that is power is equal to voltage times current. Power is equal to 220 and 8 amperes. That is given 1,760 watts.
Okay.
Answer
1,760 watts. Now I suggest you to watch a short video about short circuit. Now guys, let's review the key moments. What did you understand from this video? Zinia, please.
Electrons always choose the shortest path in a circuit. If a wire is connected between the ends of a lamp, almost all the current passes through this wire and the lamp goes out. This lamp is short-circuited.
So guys, explain the reason for the short circuit shown in the figure. Who can explain? Zlata. Zlata, please.
The reason for the short circuit is clashing of wires, overvoltage, and the incorrect connection of wires.
Yes, you are right.
It is very important to observe safety precautions with electrical appliances.
So guys, let's do an experiment connecting the power supply to the bulb using wires and terminals. So, start. Let's try to change value of current and voltage. What happens if current values is increased?
The light bulb will go brighter.
Brighter, yes. What if we increase the current even more?
In this case,
Now guys, I propose to following. You must open your book on page 183. Using the text of the book, you need to prepare posters on a given topic. The first group will tell about fuses, the second group will tell about a circuit breaker, and the third group will tell about filament bulb. Each poster should have the following structure. It is construction, principle of operation, and purpose. Each poster should be informative and beautifully designed. Good luck, be creative. Principle of operation, and this is purpose. So, first group, please go to the board.
So I'll show you a structure of circuit breaker. This is a switch and this is the heat resistant housing, and circuit breaker helps out when we can get the short circuit.
the inside of a circuit breaker is electromagnet, which is located here, and it's covered with a bimetallic plate.
So I'll talking about the principle of operation. In case of a short circuit, the automatic fuses act differently. The plate is attracted to the electromagnet and set in motion a latch that disables the fuse. Such a process disconnections occur in a shorter time.
And the purposes of circuit breaker is an electrical safety device that is made to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overcurrent or short circuit.
Now guys, I want to play with you a very educational game that's called electric current. Yulia, could you read the rules of this game?
So in this game we need to stand in two columns facing each other. One of the participants becomes a current and gets up at the beginning. Then everyone joins hands and begins to transfer current to each other, squeezing each other's hands. Whose walls team will finish faster and become the winner.
So, please stand up. To consolidate the studied material, I propose to complete 6 test tasks in the quizzes program. You can join through code, write your names, and we will see your results. Congratulations on completing this assignment. Zine, Zlata, Karina, you have performed well. I especially want to praise Tamila, Karina, and Zlata. To consolidate new terminology, I propose to do this task, puzzle. Here you need to find new words or phrases that we have studied recently. So let's start. What words did you find? I found the word cooker. Cooker, okay, next.
Bulb.
Good job. Next.
Filament.
Nobody, yes, you're right.
Short circuit.
Okay, good job, Zinia. And the last word, Karina? It's fuse. Fuses, yes, of course. So guys, moving on to the next point. Your home task is page 186, exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now guys, let's summarize the lesson. I suggest you to answer the next following questions. The first question, what new things did you learn?
We learned about the cookers, about the iron and how works the circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker, okay.
And about short
Circuit, yes. Short circuit, yes. Fuse,
Electric heating devices.
okay. Yana,
Filament bulb.
filament bulb, construction of filament bulb, yes. Principle of operation and purpose. And the next question, what made you curious today? Karina, please.
Quizzes, experiment, and true or false.
Okay. Now
The electric game
electric current game,
and true or false.
Give true or false. Yes.
we made beautiful and interesting posters.
Posters, wall, great.
Posters and puzzles.
Puzzles, okay. Yana,
True or false and quizzes.
quizzes.
Practical tasks.
Practical task, yes.
True or false and puzzle.
Okay. Yes. So, thank you. So guys, please give feedback in the program Padlet. Be quick. Okay, the lesson is over. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.